What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and today we have the Oculus Quest. And this is like the promise of standalone VR, no wires, no nothing. Big shout out to Oculus for sponsoring this video, because this is my first time trying the Oculus Quest, and I'm excited to see what this thing has in store. So let's go ahead and figure this whole thing out. I mean, pretty much this is everything. I mean, we have the headset itself, and you can see here that it says to install the Oculus app before you start, so we're gonna get that going. And then we have the touch controllers right here with the safety straps, and they're actually powered off of a single AA battery. So pretty nice all around. I don't know. We're gonna see what this thing has to offer. I have the Oculus app right here, and it says to continue with Facebook. It's actually asking me to invite some of my friends. I'm not gonna go ahead and do that. Yeah, so essentially we're just gonna start setting up the device. It's telling me to turn on the device here, so we can do that from this little button right here on the side. Let's hope it's charged. There we go. Okay, so plug in your headset. Okay, well, we didn't have to do that. Oh, it's making noise now. So I guess we're good to go. So essentially we have to pair this thing to Wi-Fi, so I'm going to select my Wi-Fi network, enter in the password, and I think we'll be able to get up and running pretty quickly. All right, so we are all updated, and it looks like we're ready to go. Let's go ahead and put this on. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, I can see the room. I don't know how else to describe this for you. This is a trip. All right, so it's apparent to me that I'm going to have to move like my coffee table and stuff, because I need some space if I'm gonna get down with the Quest. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so we should now have plenty of space to, you know, VR in and do some activities. So let's get this thing going. Okay, so we have to set up like the floor space and stuff like that. And it seems to already know where my floor, it's already kind of detected where the floor level is. The technology for this has vastly improved from what I'm used to seeing. So now we have our play area set. I know it's hard to tell. I can hear everything that's going on from what I'm seeing through the speakers in the Oculus. It's actually quite surrounding. So I can hear my surroundings outside of the game, and I can hear what's happening inside of here. I don't know, I'm pretty, I'm pretty impressed by this, I gotta say. Here we go with Beat Saber. I've never tried this before, so I might not be good, but I'm pretty excited to see how this whole thing works. This is nuts. Okay, Beat Saber. It's gonna be far less exciting for you than it is for me, but that's okay. I'm gonna kind of show you guys how this, you know, roughly how this is. Let's just go solo. No tutorial, no tutorial. Let's see, what should we pick song-wise? You know what, I'm feeling like $100 bills. All right, we're gonna go normal, or easy, I guess. Wow. Oh, wow. I failed that instantly. All right, so maybe we're gonna give Beat Saber one more try, because it's actually pretty fun. So let's get back in our zone here, see how this goes. Never played this before, so. I've seen people play it. I'm sure it looks far cooler in here than it does to you out there. Mic drop, mic, Saber drop, Saber drop. So Beat Saber is pretty awesome. I have to say that the setup for this whole thing was very, very easy. And these controllers are actually pretty awesome, these Oculus Touch controllers. It's pretty cool too because there's sensors on the top here that allow you to see the environment when you're outside of the zone. Like I can literally see around me in the room here. And also it uses the Guardian system to prevent me from going like into, you know, my TV, basically is the one thing that I'm worried about. But I mean, all this power in here is pretty crazy. It's all pretty exciting stuff though. I gotta say this far surpassed my expectations. The whole Oculus Quest, I didn't expect it to be as cool as it is, and it 100% is super cool. I mean, having just like full-on wireless portable VR that's of this quality is pretty insane. I don't know, I think it's pretty cool stuff, but let me know what you think in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video or this experience, wow, I'm out of breath. If you enjoyed this, leave the video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when new videos like this drop in the near future. Also, if you want to find out more about the Oculus Quest right here, definitely check the link in the description. It's pretty awesome all around. I want to know your thoughts though. I'm curious to know what you think about the Oculus Quest. Drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This has been Dom, and I will catch you in the next video.